7 mistakes that are stopping you from getting hired as an online ESL teacher in 2026. If you've been applying to teach English online, but you're just not getting hired, it can feel really frustrating. And you start wondering, is it my TEFL? Am I not good enough? Why is this not working? But in most cases, it's not your ability. It's a few small mistakes that are quietly holding you back. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 mistakes that are stopping you from getting hired, and most importantly, how to fix them. If you don't know me or you haven't met me before, my name is Kathy, and I help teachers just like you get started in the ESL industry. Let's get into it. Let's look at mistake number 1. Applying without a clear strategy. A lot of new teachers do this. They apply to 10, 15, even 20 platforms all at once. Have you ever done that? Pop it in the comment box if you have done that. And it feels productive. But what usually happens is you rush your profiles, you give generic applications, and you give low quality submissions because you're just applying to too many places. And then what happens is there's absolutely no responses. And why is this a problem? Platforms can tell when you haven't put effort into your application, and it lowers your chances. So now you're thinking, how do I fix this? Simply choose 2 to 3 platforms maximum and take your time with each one and focus on quality, not quantity. Let's look at mistake number 2, a vague teaching profile. This is one of the biggest ones. Your profile says something like, I am passionate about teaching and I love helping people learn English. It sounds nice, but it doesn't tell the student really anything. So why is this a problem? Students and platforms are asking, who is this teacher for? If it's unclear, they scroll past. So let's look, how can you fix it? Be really specific. And you could say something like, I help adult learners improve conversational English with structured, supportive lessons. Clear always wins. Clarity. So let's look at mistake number 3, and that's having weak or unclear introduction videos. And this is a really big one. Your introduction video is often the first thing people see. And if it's too long, too quiet, unclear, or unsure, it can stop you from getting hired. So you start thinking to yourself, why does it matter? Students choose teachers they feel comfortable with. Companies choose teachers who sound confident. So how can you fix this? Keep it 60 to 90 seconds long, clear and simple, and be warm and confident when you're busy speaking. Don't be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. Just be really clear. And if you want to go more into detail on how to do an introduction video, have a look down and you will see one of my videos, recent videos I did was all about introduction videos. It's going to help you a lot. Pop over there and go and watch it. It's going to help you to get your introduction video right. Let's look at mistake number 4, and that is overcomplicating everything. I was definitely guilty of this in the beginning. Many new teachers try to sound impressive. They use big words, they use complicated explanations, long sentences, but your students are English learners. So why is this a problem? If your language is too complex, it creates confusion instead of trust. When you're thinking to yourself, how do I fix this? Keep your language simple. Clear English builds confidence for you and for your students. Mistake number 5, not preparing for interviews or demo lessons. Some teachers think, I'm just going to wing it and I'll just see how it goes. But interviews and demo lessons are structured. So this is a problem because without preparation, you can feel unsure and it shows. Well, now you're saying, how do I fix this? Practice a simple lesson structure. Have a look at some common interview answers, speaking clearly and calmly, and preparation builds confidence. Once again, if you're not sure what to do for interviews or for demo lessons, have a look down. There are some past videos that I've done that will be really helpful for you. Pop over and watch them and let me know in the comments if they helped you at all. Okay, mistake number 6, and that's focusing too much on your qualifications. Many teachers think I need a better TEFL certificate. I need more certificates. And that's not always what platforms are looking for. Why is this a problem? You delay your action instead of trying to gain some experience. So let's think, how can I fix this? Like really focus on communication, confidence, and clarity. Your TEFL is like your foundation, but it's not the whole picture. Just because you've got a TEFL certificate doesn't mean you're going to get hired. Like really work on gaining some experience. Mistake number 7 is a lack of confidence. Even when you're ready. This is the one I see most often. Teachers are ready, but they don't feel ready. So they delay. And next year, they're in exactly the same place as what they were in last year, right? So they delay recording the video, applying, and showing up. And this is a big problem because confidence only comes after action. Confidence doesn't come before you've done the action. So to fix this, take the next step before you feel ready. You build confidence by doing. You can pop in the comments, I'm going to take the next step even if I don't feel ready. And if you'd like a simple checklist of these mistakes so you can go through them and fix them step by step, comment checklist below and I'm going to send it to you. And if you're currently trying to get hired and you'd like support along the way, you're very welcome to join my free Teach English with Kathy B community. You'll find the link in the description below. It helps you just to get started and maybe give you a little bit of tips that can really help you along the way. And if you really like mentorship and step-by-step guidance from things like your profile, your introduction videos, your interviews, practicing demo lessons, then inside my teacher membership, which costs $25 a month, which is about 410 Rand, I guide you through every single thing that you need to know, and you have someone holding your hand along the way. Again, the link is below in the description. Now, I'd love to know from you, which of these mistakes do you think you might be making? Comment below and let me know. And remember, you don't need to be perfect to get hired. You need to be clear, you need to take action, and you need to keep going. You absolutely can do this. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do that now so that you don't miss out on the next video. I'll see you in the next video.